हेलो। या
सर मैं
मैडम,
मीशो सपोर्ट से बात कर रही हूँ।
कैन यू प्लीज प्रोसीड इन इंग्लिश?
यस सर, आई एम फ्रॉम मीशो सपोर्ट।
या मैडम।
सर
यस।
your concern is claim related issue.
Yeah, madam. I got an wrong missing products and wrong return in courier return. 2 tickets I have raised.
Sir, kindly share your ticket ID.
The ticket ID is 50.
1 second, sir.
Hello, Meesho team.
Three,
I
sir,
have
50
sent
90
3
90
lycra pants, pack of
2932.
3,
2932.
but in return
Okay,
I
sir.
have received only 1 lycra
सर
pant.
मैं चेक करके आपको रेजोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड
He
करवाती
also
हूँ।
removed the
Please check, madam. Please check.
label.
ओके सर, थैंक यू
This
सो
is
मच
the
सर।
written label.
Don't close the conversation, madam.
Only I have received
Hello?
written label.
यस सर।
Inside package I kept
Don't
a
close the
video of
conversation. Everyone saying
unpacking
that
video. You can
your
see in
claim
that.
ratio is high.
Please.
Yes sir.
Make
What
it
can I do for
good.
that, madam?
Thank you.
I sent a video proof. In that video proof, if there is a mistake from my side, you can say that your claim ratio is high, or we can't give compensation for this, like that. I am sharing the perfect proof. The cheater is customer. You need to catch him, right? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, madam.
Sir, please stay on the line while I am checking from.
Please check. Please check. I will be line.
Yes. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, madam. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, hi sir. Actually, as I checked, sir, your claim is rejected due to high distance.
Madam, I only ask one question. If the claim ratio is high, that's the problem is my side or Meesho side?
I'm really sorry for that.
Is those all things happens because of Meesho's carelessness, right? Madam, hello?
Yeah, yes sir. Yes sir. I'm listening to you, sir.
Is those all things happens because of Meesho's carelessness, right?
Yeah.
Did you accept with this?
Sorry, sir.
All these things, these cheating things happens only because of Meesho's carelessness, right?
Sir, I'm really sorry, sir, but I can't verify this, sir, because this solution provided to our team, sir, not our, sir. Okay.
Madam?
And our team,
Yeah,
yes,
tell me.
and our team first of all verified, and after that, sir, he will provide you resolution.
What's the resolution for this? Where I need to say my situation?
I really understand your concern, sir, but I can't nothing at the moment, sir.
What I want to do, madam? If the support team says I can't do anything, what I want to do?
Sir, I'm really sorry. For this order ID,
Is there any other option to raise a complaint on Meesho supply team?
Sir, if you raise multiple times tickets, sir. If
Yes,
you raise
madam.
multiple
No one is responding. No one is responding. Just lifting the call. Your claim ratio is high. On disconnecting the call.
because there is only one option here.
What, madam?
A claim is relaxed. So if you raise multiple tickets and in future also, so that time sir, you will provide only one resolution on the ticket. Your claim is rejected.
Even though I have raised a number of tickets, no one is responding.
Yeah, I am really sorry.
What I want to do? What? Please say what I want to do.
Sir, I have no answer for your question. I am really sorry for
If
that,
the
sir.
supplier team says no answer for your question, what's the situation of suppliers?
Sir, I really understand your concern, but once the our team is rejected your compensation or approved your compensation, so
Is that is a compensation? Is that is a compensation? They are saying that high ratio. Is that is a compensation?
I'm really sorry for that.
If that is a wrong product, why are you taking this? What the Meesho team is doing there? Don't say sorry, please. Your sorry cannot resolve my problem. If possible, forward my call to the higher team. If you can't answer my question, you are not able to answer my question, please forward my call to the concerned team or higher authorities.